Thanks for logging on. I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres, and it was a hot day here in Albuquerque, topping out at 95 degrees, which is 1 degree cooler than yesterday and below the record of 98 that was set way back in 1910. But we're still well below average as far as rainfall totals, almost 2 inches below where we should be for this time of year. Now let's take a look at what occurred elsewhere across New Mexico today. It was hot statewide. Very close to the century mark in Deming. You topped out at 99 today, 98 in Carlsbad and Roswell, 80s though for Ruidoso and Clines Corners. Tucumcari 96 for today. Santa Fe topped out at 91 for this Saturday. And it was a hot and muggy one with a ridge of high pressure centered over the Four Corners, but a disturbance to the west of it produced heavy rain over parts of Arizona and even some flooding issues in northern parts of Ketron and southern parts of Cibola County, and had some heavy showers and storms over by Tucumcari and even by Roswell, thanks to a boundary that's set up over the eastern mountains. Typically, this does occur during August. That's why we've been seeing those severe thunderstorms over at least the eastern plains. Pinpoint for Futurecast beginning at 7 tonight. Not really showing much anymore for the rest of the state. We should begin to dry out gradually this evening. Tomorrow, though, could be an active day, especially for the northern mountains, including places such as Santa Fe, even out towards Taos. Then we dry out tomorrow night. But Monday could be another active day. Notice by 2 in the afternoon, heavy shower and thunderstorm activity over the Sangres, along the Santa Fe mountains as well, and even right here in Albuquerque and out in parts of Ketron and Cibola counties where heavy rain could fall again. Now, as far as temperatures, not expecting to cool down at least anytime soon in southern New Mexico, where temperatures will climb into the 90s, even a few spots around 100. It does include Carlsbad. Roswell, you'll be at 99 for your Sunday. Chance of rain about 10%. For the northern half of the land of enchantment, temperatures generally in the 70s and 80s, although a few locations will top out in the 90s, including Grants, Gallup, and Farmington. 92 for your Sunday. Chance of storms about 20%, and temperatures eventually cooling down into the 80s beginning on Thursday. For Santa Fe and surrounding locations, temperatures generally in the 80s for highs. Chance for storms about 30% in the afternoon hours, and the chance of rain remains around 30% through Tuesday, with temperatures remaining in the 80s for highs and lows in the 50s. For the East Mountains tomorrow, temperatures in the mid-80s for highs, including Cedar Crest and Moriarty. Chance for storms about 30%, and then right here in the metro, about a 20% chance of scattered showers, and yes, even a few thunderstorms, with highs generally in the lower 90s, although the foothills will be climbing to about 89, Placitas 90 degrees. And the 7-day outlook for the Duke City, keeping those temperatures in the 90s through at least Monday, but cooling down into the 80s beginning Tuesday and Wednesday, but also beginning to dry out Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. For all the latest on your Pinpoint forecast, you can always follow us on Facebook along with Twitter. Also log on to KOB.com and download our app for free for the iPhone, the Android, and the iPad.